Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, friends.
Our topic for today's presentation is COVID 19. Now, my friend Uwais will present further.
What is a coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that are actually common throughout the world and can cause respiratory illness in people and animals. There are several known coronaviruses that infect people and usually only cause mild respiratory disease, such as the common cold. What are the symptoms? The symptoms of the novel coronavirus include a runny nose, sore throat, fever, shortness of breath, and coughing. If left untreated, these symptoms could progress into severe pneumonia, kidney failure, and breathing difficulties. The flu and COVID 19 share a lot of common symptoms, meaning that it is difficult to differentiate between two without a test. Who does it affect? Anyone can catch the novel coronavirus, but the most severe symptoms have been found most frequently in people with pre-existing weakened immune system, older people, and those with long-term conditions like diabetes, cancer, and chronic lung disease. Most people who have contracted with virus are expected to make a full recovery. How does the virus spread? Primarily spread person to person via respiratory droplets from coughs or sneezes. Possibly spreads by touching an object or surface with the virus on it, then touching mouth, nose, or eyes. It takes approximately 2 to 14 days for an infected person to show symptoms. People likely most infectious while they are most symptomatic, example coughing or sneezing. Spread from people without symptoms appears possible. On next slide we will see the rise in corona cases from Feb to August worldwide. In this slide we can see the cases in India. And in this slide we can see the deaths in India. And in this slide we can see the cases worldwide. And in this slide we can see the deaths worldwide. From this map we can understand the effect of COVID-19 on different states. India is currently the second worst hit country by the COVID pandemic in terms of the total number of infections after the United States. However, India's reported mortality rate calculated by the number of deaths per 100 confirmed cases is low compared to other countries despite its high caseload. On 9 October, the number of active cases in the country fell below the 9 lakh mark for the first time since 9 September. In the second week of October, India recorded the highest number of recoveries in the world and has maintained its global lead since. The government began its phased lockdown from 8 June with extensive relaxation, including opening of religious places, shopping malls, and restaurants. Metro services were reopened under Unlock 4.0 guidelines issued on 29th August. Now, from here, my friend Asjad will present further.
Cinemas, theaters, and multiplex have been permitted to run with up to 50% seating capacity, and states can allow gathering of more than 100 people. The Unlock 5 guidelines have been extended till 30th November. Schools largely remain shut, with the center leaving it up to the states to decide on allowing them to reopen. Current rules and guidelines. Wearing face cover is compulsory in public places, workplaces, and during transport. A minimum distance of 6 feet in public places should be ensured. Spitting in public places will be punishable with a fine. Work from home should be followed as much as possible. Frequent sanitization of entire workplace, common facilities, and place of human contact is advisable. Social distancing should be followed. Use of Arogya Setu app. It enables early identification of risk of infection. Arogya Setu should be installed by all employees having compatible mobile phones. District authorities may advise the regular update of health status on the app by the individuals. COVID-19 vaccine. In a draft issued by Health Ministry to all states and union territories, it is stated that 100 people will be vaccinated per day at a site, and if sufficient resources are available, then up to 200 people can be vaccinated. A vaccination site should have 3 rooms or areas including waiting room, vaccination room, and observation room, the SOP stated. According to the Health Minister's plan, the coronavirus vaccine will be first given to healthcare workers 1 crore, frontline workers 2 crore, and people above 50 years 26 crore. After this, the vaccine will be given to those below 50 years of age who are suffering from chronic critical illness 1 crore. After this, the rest of the population will be given COVID-19 vaccine, whether it is ready for public use based on the spread and availability of the disease. Do's and don'ts. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap for 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your face. Avoid sharing water bottles and personal hygiene items. Avoid non-essential travel. Don't overburden healthcare items. Take precautions against the common flu. Preventing a flu outbreak could help diagnose coronavirus faster. Wear a mask whenever possible. Experts have determined that even cloth masks are better than no mask at all. Cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. Prevent the spread of medical misinformation. There are no known cures or preventive medicines for coronavirus. Do not forward messages that advise medicines, modern, homeopathy, natural, or herbal, for the virus. Home remedies like soaps and ginger water can help ease sore throat but cannot prevent or cure coronavirus. The closing thought is, जो डर गया वो बच गया. Thank you for watching our presentation.